All right, I want to show you guys what I've been up to. I'm going to show you my model of the Millennium puzzle that I've been working on for so long, and it's still a prototype, but I've really gotten a lot of the kinks out. I've got some smooth surfaces, and it's modeled off of the Bandai one. However, I put my own spin on it, tried to make it look as nice as I could. So here it is. Here's some printing process. I like the Bamboo Labs 3D printers. They do awesome. There's been lots of deals on Black Fridays for them. And it's just so fun to watch these printers. They're thick and they're solid. They're real solid feeling. We'll see how it goes. I can already tell the surface layers aren't perfect. They need to be tweaked, but better turn out than I expected. Here's where a lot of the magic happens. A lot of my little prototypes come together, the magnets and things. Here's a bunch of my revisions of my prototypes. Every single one of those sitting on the table is different. And a shout out to a bust of my grandpa right there. Here's my final product. Let me know if you like the final product and if you'd want one yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching.